Hello guys, welcome to my channel Shahana Tutorial. So in my tutorial today we are going to cover the second day of letter A, that is the recap of letter A. So let's start. So we are going to introduce through the flashcard. Capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. The sound of letter A is A. You make it sure that the child opens the mouth wide. The sound of A is A. Let's do the cracker song. Let's sing the cracker song. The action of letter A is you have to giggle your, something is giggling on your arms. You have to pretend like that. Okay. Hands on my arm. Hands on my arm. Hands on my arm. They're causing me alarm. Now let's do the formation of letter A. In our previous video, I have just showed you the pattern tracing of letter A. So on the recap day, the second day, we are going to do the letter formation of letter A. Let's start. Okay, now let's start. First, we'll make it sure that we'll draw the correct lines so that children will understand in a better way. Then the blue line. Okay, now we'll make capital A. So it will start from the red line. A slant line will come and touch the blue line, the third line, and then this A will also touch the third line, and then we'll make a straight line. This is the formation of letter capital A. Once the child is thorough with the capital A, then on the third and fourth day of the recap, we can go for the small a. The formation of the small a is, the small a will start from here. Okay, it is going to be in one go only. Okay, the same C pattern will go up and then come down. Okay, so this is the small a. Now let me just give you the information. The writing of the letter A will only for the junior KG and the senior KG. For preschool and the nursery, we are not going to have any writing, only the recognition and the activities. The activities like coloring, clay modeling, matching, we will give. And also, we can also give them the quiz to play, which is mentioned in my description box, the quiz of letter A, where the children can identify the pictures and click the letter. So I have made the quiz, and that quiz is mentioned in the description box. And for the free PPTs and the worksheets, you can subscribe my channel, and let's wait for my next video. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribing my channel. Thank you guys. Bye.